Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier sessions, we had looked into the new topic, that is the functions. We had also looked how to define a function and how to call a function. And in today's session, let's look into function arguments. What are the different types of arguments which we can pass to the function? So basically there are 5 types of arguments which we can pass to the function. The first one is positional or required arguments. Required arguments. The second one is the keyword arguments. Word arguments. The third one is the default arguments. Fourth one is arbitrary positional arguments. Positional. It's the positional arguments. And the fifth one is arbitrary keyword arguments. So basically we see there are 5 types of arguments. The first one is positional or required argument. The second is the keyword arguments. The third is default arguments. Fourth is arbitrary positional arguments. And the fifth is arbitrary keyword arguments. So now let's look into it in detail. Firstly, let's look into the positional or required arguments. In the positional or required arguments, the number of arguments in function call and function definition should be the same, and order has to be maintained. And order has to be maintained in the same way. So for this, an example would be, let me say def, show is my function name, and I have taken 2 parameters a comma b. Now let me have one statement where I print my a and b. Now let me call this function with show 10 comma 20. So whenever it encounters show 10 comma 20, it will call the function show, and 10 will be assigned to A, 20 will be assigned to B. One thing which we have to notice here is the number of arguments. Number of arguments should be same in function call and function definition. Function call is passing 2 arguments. Function definition is accepting 2 arguments. So the number of arguments is same. So, and one more thing is the order has to be maintained. So, A will have the value 10, B will have the value 20. First value will go to first argument, second value will go to the second argument. So, the order also has been maintained. And our output would be print A comma B, that is 10 and then 20. So, it prints 10 comma 20 on the console. So, this is the required or positional arguments, where the number of arguments in function call and function definition should be same, and the order also has to be maintained. Now let's move into the second type of argument, which is the keyword argument. Which is the keyword arguments. In the keyword arguments, the number of arguments in function call and function definition should be the same, but the order does not matter. Order does not matter because the value will be assigned based on the keywords. So let me say def show A, B and then colon. So let me say print A, B. Now let me call the function with keyword arguments. So show B equal to 20, A equal to 10. So my function call has got keywords, that is B and A, and we are assigning 20 to B and 10 to A. So now the number of parameters in function call and function definition is the same. But the order does not matter. I am having B as the first value, whereas here it is having A as the first argument. So the order does not matter. Based on the keywords, the value will be assigned. B equal to 20, so B will take the value 20. A equal to 10, so A will take the value 10. And now when I print it on the console, I get the value 10, 20. A is 10, B is 20. So the order does not matter and the number of arguments should be the same. So this is the keyword arguments. Now let's quickly move on to the third type of arguments, which is the default argument. Default arguments. In this, the number of parameters in function call and definition does not matter. Number of parameters need not be the same. Need not be same. So, the number of parameters in function call and definition need not be the same. So, for this def show, I have one parameter or argument called name, and then I have a default argument. That is, we are giving the value of the argument in the function definition itself. So let me say I am giving good morning. So name is the argument and this is the default argument. Now if I say print name, message. This should have colon. So now if I say print name, message, and in the function call, it need not have the same number of parameters. So I am passing only Sam. So here I am passing only one parameter, but it is accepting two parameters. So the number of parameters in function call and function definition need not be the same, because some of the arguments are default arguments. So when I don't pass the second argument, by default it will take good morning as the second argument. And now if I take one more statement, call statement, and say Ram, and I pass another parameter called good evening. Good evening. So for the first one, it will print Sam for the name and message will have the default value good morning. So for the first one, first output, it will print Sam good morning. For the second, we are passing two parameters. So this value will be replaced by the default value. So we get the output Ram and then good evening. So will be printed on the console. So if we don't pass any argument, it will take the default value. If we pass the value, it will take this particular value. So this is how the default arguments works in Python. Now let's quickly move on to the other two types, that is the arbitrary positional arguments. In this case, it takes n number of values from the function call and we can have one variable in the one argument in the function definition, and it should be prefixed with a star. So positional argument, arbitrary positional arguments, it will have a star and a name of the variable argument. So now if I say DEF, if I say name, names, and I give star ARGS. So when I give star, it can accept n number of values from the function call. Now if I say print ARGS, now let me pass those n values, n number of values in the function call. So I'll have names Ram, Sam, Shyam, John. So I am passing n number of name values, and these 4 values will be held in ARGS prefixed with a star. So now if I say print ARGS, my output will be printed in the tuple format with Ram, Sam, Shyam, and John. So it will print in the tuple format the arguments which we are passing to ARGS. If we want to print Ram, Sam, Shyam, John, then we have to go in for a for loop. For I in ARGS, print I, then we get it in individual lines. So this is how the arbitrary positional arguments. When the user doesn't know how many arguments are being passed, in the function definition, he can have one argument prefixed with a star, so that it will take n number of arguments. Now let's move on to the fifth type, which is arbitrary keyword arguments. Keyword arguments. It is prefixed by 2 stars KWARGS. This KWARGS, keyword arguments, can have any other name, but it should be prefixed with 2 stars. So suppose I am having my function show, let me say star KWAR, then it is accepting keyword arguments. Only star means it will accept positional arguments. With double star, it is accepting keyword arguments. Print KWARGS. Now let me call my function show, and I am passing keywords, that is first name equal to Sam. First name is equal to Sam. Last name is equal to Ram, and then age equal to 25. So I am passing keyword and the value. Keyword, value, keyword and the value. So when we pass keywords, we have to append 2 stars and then the name of the argument. If we pass only values without keywords, then we have to say star ARGS, only a single star. So now if I print my KWARGS, it will give it in a dictionary format. Positional arguments, arbitrary positional arguments, gave it in the tuple format. Since we are having keywords, it will print it in the dictionary format. So it will say first, colon, Sam, value, comma, the second item. Last is the key, Ram is the value. Thirdly, it will have age as the key and 25 as the value. So it will print it in the dictionary format. So we have to enclose it within curly braces. So this is how arbitrary keyword arguments. It takes n number of arguments and we can specify only one argument with double star for keyword arguments. Hope so friends, it is clear for you. The 5 types of arguments which we can pass to the function: the positional argument, the keyword argument, the default argument, arbitrary positional argument, and arbitrary keyword arguments. Let's see more code examples in the practical session. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.